Happy Monday, guys! So today we're going to work on a cemetery cone arrangement that could also double for a really pretty arrangement that can go in your house. I did test the cone out on the pretty vase that I wanted to use to make sure it fit down in there good. So I would do that before you get started. But we're going to start by adding some pretty sunflowers in here. I picked the tallest and the biggest focal, and I'm going to kind of make a dome shape is the best way I can describe to you. I did pre-cut all of my bush flowers so that I could do this simply and easily. It's just better to cut them all beforehand, especially if you're making matching arrangements. That way you know that you have the same amount of each flower to go spread between the two arrangements. It'll give you the same fullness and color in each. There's lots of pretty fall leaves in here. There's lots of pretty mums. There's some kind of like cattail type things in there. And I'm going to use this fall leaf to just kind of cover up the base of this arrangement because I don't like to add a lot of silk greenery that's cheap for outdoors. This is a pretty burgundy rose that was too short, so we're going to take a bamboo skewer, and this tape is just called corsage tape. You can buy it at the Dollar Tree. The bamboo skewers come in a huge pack. I took a little bit of hot glue and I'm just taping it up to kind of conceal the skewer and make sure that it looks nice and green. And now that's going to make it so much taller. I hate when I try not to buy short bushes that you have to do that too, because it is time consuming. Now with these fall leaves, they're kind of spread out too far, but I just literally just shoved them right up, and here is how pretty and full it's starting to look. This is our pretty, I say pretty, but this is the leather leaf. This is a wax base. It's all these flowers are made for outdoors. And for our indoor arrangement, what I would do is use nicer greenery like some pretty ivy or eucalyptus. Look how perfect it fits down in that vase. You could put two on your mantle. But I hope y'all have a great week.